So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert different shapes inside of a Pages document here on the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, simply just go to the top bar right here to where it says Insert, Table, Chart, etc. Go all the way over to where it says Shape right here, and if you hover over top of it, it says choose a shape or line to add to this document, or use the pen tool. Simply go ahead and just press on it right here. And once you're here, you can actually go ahead and select, a line if you want. You can go ahead and add a shape if you want. You can add some symbols, whatever the case may be. It is completely up to you. So, for example, if you wanted to add let's just say a triangle right here. You can press on the triangle just like that. Once you have the triangle here, you can make it larger or smaller. You can make it, wider or more narrow. You can also go to the color fill right here and you can change the color. You can make it blue. You can make it green. You can change it to one of these colors, whatever the case may be. You can kind of play around with it. It is completely up to you. So super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to add different shapes or lines into your document here in Pages. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.